Welcome to Kitchenesia, your cozy corner of home inspiration. Here, we explore charming farmhouse kitchens, vintage styles, and timeless ideas that turn simple spaces into soulful sanctuaries. Grab your coffee, settle in, and let's wander through designs that feel like a warm hug for your home. The sunlight spills gently across reclaimed oak beams, warming the limestone floor beneath. The kitchen smells faintly of wood and coffee. Every shelf tells a story, ceramics worn by time, a copper pot catching a golden glow. There's nothing perfect, but everything fits. The white cabinets feel soft in the sunlight, their paint chipped in all the right places. It's simple, soulful, and deeply personal. You can almost hear laughter from another room. This kitchen feels alive, like it's been loved for decades. Timeless, tactile, and effortlessly charming, where Diane Keaton's rustic grace meets quiet farmhouse nostalgia. Soft light streams through black-trimmed windows, sliding over soapstone counters and a brick range. The shiplap walls gleam under vintage pendants. There's warmth in every corner, linen curtains swaying, rattan stools tucked just so. The old-world charm hums beneath the crisp black and white contrast. It's bold but welcoming, refined yet unpolished. You feel like you've stepped into a movie kitchen, casually elegant, where every detail feels intentional. Time slows here. Everything glows like a California morning, unrushed, personal, and full of stories ready to be told over steaming mugs of tea. Morning sunlight dances on terracotta tiles, catching the edges of open shelves stacked with pottery. The walnut cabinetry glows softly, textured, and imperfect. There's a quiet rhythm, wood creaking, spoons clinking, an open window letting in the scent of rosemary. The plaster walls breathe warmth, each brushstroke visible. It's not staged, it's lived in. A space built from patience and beauty, unfiltered and real. You can feel Diane Keaton's presence here, calm, authentic, and unapologetically simple. A rustic kitchen where comfort and craft intertwine, and time seems to slow with every ray of light. White sunlight pours through lace curtains, brushing across beadboard cabinets and chipped pine countertops. The air feels familiar, like summer mornings on an old farm. Copper gleams above the farmhouse sink, beside jars of wildflowers and stacked crockery. Everything here whispers nostalgia. The textures, the quiet imperfections, they make you breathe slower. You don't need modern sparkle when warmth feels this effortless. It's cozy, a little dreamy, like a favorite film. Scene that lingers. You imagine baking bread here, laughing easily, letting the light do the decorating. It's simple beauty, soft, sentimental, and forever timeless. The ambience hums with history, dark wood beams, a stone floor cool underfoot, brass glinting in the daylight. It's a kitchen that doesn't need to try hard. The plaster walls catch the sun softly, wrapping every surface in a honeyed glow. A Persian rug anchors the space, textured and worn. You could sit here for hours, hands wrapped around a mug, soaking in the serenity. Its rustic elegance, grounded yet graceful. Every piece feels collected over time, nothing too new. Nothing out of place. Just quiet confidence radiating warmth and Diane Keaton's signature understated soul. Gray cabinets blend into soft plaster walls, bathed in pure sunlight. The wood tones feel honest, the textures raw but comforting. There's something effortlessly beautiful about the balance. Stoneware lined neatly, linen towels draped loosely, everything casual yet curated. You feel grounded, unhurried. This is simplicity done right, a space that breathes warmth and wisdom. The imperfections feel comforting, like old stories retold through texture and light. It's a quiet nod to Diane Keaton's earthy charm, a kitchen made for real life, full of sunlight and subtle grace, grounded in authenticity and warmth. Light filters through paned windows, playing across hand-painted cabinetry and patterned tiles. It feels timeless, part French countryside, part California dream. The open shelves are honest and alive, stacked with white ceramics, each piece slightly uneven, lovingly used. Movement lives in the details, wooden spoons, trailing herbs, sunlight shifting across marble. It's a kitchen that welcomes you in without pretension. Full of charm, tradition, and soft laughter, it's as if Diane Keaton herself curated a rustic poem you can walk through, where time bows to beauty and warmth lingers on every light-filled surface. Walnut textures meet sleek silhouettes in this rustic modern blend. The space is warm yet sharply tailored, flooded with California light. There's a confidence to it, stone counters anchored by brass touches, beams running bold above. Every object feels intentional but not forced. You can almost picture jazz playing softly, a script on the counter, a pause between conversations. It's rustic grown up, mid-century softened. Diane Keaton's spirit hums in the balance of nostalgia and style, simple, soulful, effortlessly chic. A kitchen that feels both cinematic and deeply personal, glowing with calm, natural sunlight. Soft light slides through herb-scented air, touching creamy cabinets and flowered drapes. There's texture everywhere, terracotta underfoot, butcher block sheen, brass glimmering faintly. It's tender and sentimental, the kind of kitchen where you pause mid-recipe just to breathe it in. Charm lives in the small things, a basket of apples, a teapot, laughter echoing in memory. It's comfortable, familiar, beautifully human. The warmth feels handwritten, like a love letter to home. Diane Keaton's farmhouse vision lives here, elegant without excess, touched by time, and bathed in fresh morning sunlight. The sunlight falls soft and moody across dark cabinetry and white plaster. It's minimal but rich in texture. Oak floors, clay pots, linen draped just so. Shadows stretch gently, creating quiet drama. You feel the calm balance between simplicity and depth. There's honesty in the materials, no gloss, no fuss. It's beautiful because it breathes. The space captures that Diane Keaton paradox, warm yet restrained, humble yet cinematic. Each beam of light turns the room into a story. One where stillness feels luxurious and imperfection feels like home. Gentle light spills over bleached wood and woven textures, a salty breeze whispering through open windows. The air feels coastal but grounded, nothing polished, just sun, wood, and calm. Cabinets in soft sand tones meet brass handles that glow faintly. You can hear the ocean somewhere nearby, or maybe it's just the sound of peace. The space glows with simplicity, coastal warmth, and quiet soul. It's pure Diane Keaton, relaxed, inviting, endlessly authentic. The kind of place where breakfast feels like a slow ritual and sunlight completes the design. Dark charcoal cabinets glow beneath golden sunlight, bouncing softly against rustic timber beams. The plaster walls carry texture like canvas strokes, subtle and expressive. Every piece feels deliberate, aged pottery, framed sketches, copper barely reflecting. It's dramatic but somehow humble. The tension between shadow and light gives it soul. This kitchen doesn't ask for attention, it earns it quietly. You sense Diane Keaton's artistic rhythm, bold, authentic, cinematic. It's a space that breathes personality and restraint, holding warmth in every grain of wood and every echo of evening light. Soft oak tones and lime-washed walls bathe in slow morning light. The space hums with calm, linen textures, gentle shadows, ceramics shaped by hand. Everything speaks of balance, of less and enough. The details are not loud, just quietly perfect. It's rustic, refined, untouched by trend. The air feels honest, grounded. You can imagine slow coffee, sunlight spilling, no rush in sight. Diane Keaton's timeless simplicity echoes here, organic, soulful, modern in the purest sense. Kitchen made for breathing and being, where light itself feels like design. The air smells of herbs and stone. Sunlight falls onto mint green cabinets and a weathered wood table that's seen 1,000 stories. Copper glows softly, a reminder of time and touch. The stone walls feel strong yet tender, the beams above casting steady shadows. It's pastoral and poetic, comfortable in its imperfections. This is the kind of space you linger in, letting the silence feel generous. Every detail carries warmth, memory, and Diane Keaton's love for homes that live deeply, not loudly. Its rustic rhythm turned into sunlight and soul. Every kitchen tells a story, from rustic beams to sunlight on marble counters. If today's ideas sparked your inspiration, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more cozy design journeys. Let's keep building spaces that celebrate warmth, comfort, and beautiful everyday living together.